yang bisa ini adalah contoh in this video, I'm going to show you that topic about process next title, how to operate your
open the door slowly and push the ball. After that, we will turn on and seize the door. Then click on this master device to consider Firstly, choose whichever application you would like to use.
Here's what I can say. I have this video is useful for all. Then if you know more, please comment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. After watching the video, what is the cause of the procedural text in the video? Alright, thank you for your answer. Apakah ada lagi yang ingin menambahkan? Atau ada yang berpendapat lain? The goals of the procedural text, the video is so as how to operate all. I will explain a little about procedural text. Definition of procedural text. A procedural text is a text that provides instruction in form or not the readers about how to make or do something. Usually, this type of text begins with a phrase how to, for example, how to make a cup of tea. Purpose of procedural text. The purpose of a procedural text is to explain how something is made, done or used through a series of sequential steps. Jadi, tujuan dari teks prosedur ini adalah untuk menjelaskan bagaimana sesuatu dibuat, dilakukan, atau digunakan melalui serangkaian langkah-langkah yang berurutan. Structures of a procedural text. Number 1, goal. Goal is the part of a procedural text that explains the purpose or objective. Materials are the part of procedural text that explain the rules and ingredients needed. And the last, steps are the part of a procedural text that contain the instruction or stages to make or do something. Jadi, struktur dari prosedur text itu ada 3, yaitu goals, material, dan yang terakhir itu ada steps. Do you have any questions? Name it features of a procedural text. Simple present tense. A procedural text generally use the simple present tense because the interaction with or usually action that are commonly done in everyday activity. In working sentence, a procedural text usually use imperative sentence that gives clear instruction to the readers. Action verb. Procedural text commonly use action verb to explain what the readers know to, for example, rise, eat, tap, and so on. Conjunctions. Procedural text often use conjunctions or sequence words such as first, next, then, and others to show the readers of the text. And the last, adverb. Adverb are used to give detailed instruction about how something should be done. For example, so memberikan instruksi yang lebih rinci tentang bagaimana sesuatu dilakukan. Types of procedural text. Jenis procedural text itu ada 4, yaitu simple procedural text. A simple procedural text only contains 2 or 3 steps. For example, the procedure for operating an iron. Complex procedural text. A complex procedural text consists of many steps and several stages in its process. An example of a complex procedure text is the procedure for paying traffic ticket by the police. And the last, protocol procedure text. A procedure text is a type of procedure text in which the step can be ranges of the indifferent other, but the goal and still be achieved. An example is how to cook instant noodles. Jadi contoh jenis dari teks prosedur ini ada 3, yaitu simple procedural text, complex procedural text, dan yang terakhir protocol procedural text. Do you have any questions? Jadi kalau simple prosedur teks itu prosedur sederhana hanya terdiri dari 2 atau 3 langkah. Contohnya adalah seperti untuk mengoperasikan setrika. Kalau kompleks itu seperti terdiri dari banyak langkah dan beberapa tahapan dalam setiap prosesnya. And the last, protokol prosedur teks itu adalah jenis teks prosedur di mana langkah-langkahnya dapat diubah berurutannya atau dilakukan dalam urutan yang berbeda, tetapi tujuannya tetap sama. Next slide. Steps to read of procedural text. Yang pertama itu determining the topic, collecting information, and making an outline, developing paragraphs, arranging the procedural text. Siswanya ada berapa orang? Now I will